Hey guys, so I'm back with another new video. Today I will show you how to run Android apps and emulate games in your PC. So it's too easy. Just download the app given in the description, that is Nox Simulator. Then after it, just click install. So I will show you just optimization, how to optimize it like Android Oreo. Go to Play Store, type Nova Launcher. After that, install it, accept. It's just 6 MBs. Let it install. After that, search for particle constellation. Install it for nice wallpapers. It's just 555 KB. After the installation will be done, go back. The apps will be installed. Open Nova Launcher. Hit next. I will select dark. Next. Immersive. Next. Swipe up. Next. Apply. Hit always. So after that, open particle constellation. You can set the thickness, dot scale and everything. So I will set as it is. Now go to Play Store. Polycon. Install it. It's just 8 MB. Let it install. It will customize the Android like the Android Oreo and even better than it. And it's no ad. It has no ad contents in it, and it is not needed to purchase. Downloading is done. Now it is installing. Installing is also done. Open the Polycon. Hit Tool. Click the Get Started button. Choose your launcher. We have used Nova Launcher, so click on Nova Launcher and click OK. If you want to search here, MB 21. After the installation, when you will click the bar, wait, first configure Google. See, now hit the bar. So now it works like a clear Android Oreo. The optimization is done like that. Thanks for watching and do subscribe our channel VH Tech.